This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to connect a channel to the conversations inbox in HubSpot. Whether you're looking to streamline your customer service process or just want to keep all your communications in one place, connecting a channel to your conversations inbox is a great way to do it. Let's dive in and get started. First, head over to your HubSpot dashboard and look for the settings icon. It's shaped like a gear and you'll find it right in the top navigation bar. Clicking on this will take you to the settings area where you'll be able to manage the different parts of your HubSpot account. Once you're in the settings, take a look at the left sidebar. Here, you'll see a list of various categories you can manage, but today we're focusing on the inbox and help desk section. Click on Inboxes. This is where you manage all your communication channels and make sure everything is set up just the way you need it. When you reach the Inboxes section, you'll notice a bright orange button that says Connect a Channel. It's hard to miss, and it's your gateway to linking a new channel to your conversations inbox. Go ahead and click that button. Now that you've clicked the button, you'll be presented with a selection of channels to choose from. This could be anything from email, chat, or even social media platforms like Facebook or Twitter, depending on what best suits your business needs. Pick the channel you want to connect. Each channel may have slightly different steps for setting up, but HubSpot will guide you through the specifics once you make your selection. For instance, if you choose to connect an email channel, you'll typically need to enter your email address and possibly some server information, depending on your email provider. If you're connecting a social media channel, you'll need to authorize HubSpot to access your account. Just follow the prompts and you'll be set up in no time. Remember, the goal here is to make sure all your customer interactions are centralized. This helps not only in managing communications more effectively, but also in providing a seamless experience for your team and your customers. After you've successfully connected your chosen channel, take a moment to test it out. Send a message or an email to see if it appears in your conversations inbox as expected. This is a great way to ensure everything is working correctly and that you're ready to manage your communications efficiently. And there you have it. You've just connected a channel to your conversations inbox in HubSpot. By following these straightforward steps, you're well on your way to enhancing your customer interaction processes. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out other tutorials for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of HubSpot. Thanks for watching and happy connecting.